Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. So now let's start our social science class. And in today's social science class, we will do chapter 3, climate. And in this, what we will do today? Today we will discuss about book exercise, question and answers. In earlier class, we have discussed question and answer 1 and 2. And in today's class, we will discuss about questions and answers. Question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's start with question 3. What is question 3, student? Why are the places near to the equator hot? So question is, why are the places near to the equator hot? And what is the answer? All of you know? Yes? So what is the answer of question number 3? The answer is first point. Different parts of the earth receives different amount of solar radiations. Yes? Second point, the sun rays are falling vertically over the equator and are spread over a small area. Third, hence places near the equator receives more heat and are hotter. Now you understood why the places near the equator are hotter? Yes, because the sun rays are falling vertically over the equator and these rays are spread over a small area, which makes that place hot. Yes, and the places near the equator receives more heat and are hotter. So the answer of question 3 is this. Now we will move to question 4. And what is question 4, students? What is the difference between sea breeze and land breeze? And the answer for question 4 is cool air blows from, we have to make a chart only. Yes, we have to make a table where we will do land breeze one side and then on the other side we will draw sea breeze line. Yes, and first difference is land breeze. In land breeze, cool air blows from land to sea, while in sea breeze, cool air blows from sea to land. Second difference, in land breeze, wind blows at night. Yes, air blows at night. And in sea breeze, the air blows during daytime. Third difference, land breeze is also known as offshore breeze and sea breeze are known as onshore breeze. Fourth difference, land breeze have dry winds. Yes, and sea breeze winds have moisture. So the winds, the air which is blowing from sea to land can carry moisture. Yes, carry water in them, moisture in them. So these are the 4 differences between land breeze and sea breeze. Now we will move to question number 5, and that is HOTS. Hot question. What type of climate do the following places have? First Mumbai, second Delhi and third Shimla. So the answer is for question number 6 is Mumbai has hot and humid climate throughout the year. Second, Delhi has extreme climate. It has very hot in summers and very cold in winters. Third, Shimla has predominantly cool climate during winters and moderately warm climate during summer. Now question 7 is value based question. We have different climates in India. The climates affect us in many ways. Our food habits, clothes, lifestyle and values, isn't it? Describe the effects of climate on various aspects of life. So what we have to do, students? We have to describe the effect of climate on various aspects of our lives. So let's see what is the answer for this. The effect of climate on various aspects of our lives are as following. First, we will take food habits. That is the effect of climate on our food habits. Since climate determines the nature of crops that can be grown in any part, The food habits also get influenced by the climate. Like in Bengal, the staple food is rice, since heavy rainfall in that region is most suited for paddy cultivation. So, as there is heavy rainfall in Bengal, so the staple food is rice, and in this region, for growing rice, this region has most suited paddy cultivation. In the northern part of the country, wheat are the staple diet. Millets are popular in dry regions like Rajasthan because millets are grown in dry and hot climate. Now we will take clothes. Clothes are also affected because of the climate. Loose dresses are popular in regions where the climate is hot. In colder regions, people wear dresses that are body hugging. The lungi is popular in the southern region of a country where it is relatively hot, but not so in colder region as Himachal Pradesh. Woolen are worn in cold regions while cotton clothing is worn in hot and temperate regions. Yes. If we talk about shelter, the design of houses in different geographical regions is determined by climatic conditions. Yes. So according to the climate, the houses are built. In areas of heavy rainfall, the houses have sloping roofs. In dry regions like Rajasthan, flat stone pieces are used for roofing. In regions of high temperature, there are open courtyards attached to each dwelling. In hill districts, houses are made on stilts with the ground floor reserved for cattle. Occupation is also affected because of climate. During the winter months, when outdoor living is not easy, the people of Kashmir remain indoor and follow up occupation like making carpets, handicrafts, silkwares that can be weaved sitting indoors. Agriculture is practiced where rainfall is adequate. People living in dry regions follow pastoral occupation, moving from place to place along with their herds of cattle, looking for water and grass wherever it may be available. Where rainfall is abundant, forestry comes up as an important occupation for the people. If we talk about art and culture, it is also affected according to the climate. If open air stage performances are popular in areas that are not very cold. A wide variety exists in places where people have opportunity to remain outdoors for most part of the year. So, we have completed the book exercise, students. Now there is a homework for you all. And what is the homework? Do life skill activity on page number 20 of book. So, of the social science book, I know most of you have bought the social science book. So you have to see the life skill activity on page number 2 and you have to do that activity. And those students, those who don't have the book still, they can just see what is the activity which they have to do in the next slide. So what is the life skill activity which is on page number 20 of your social science book? Cut out weather reports from the newspaper for a week. Paste them and see the variations. So what you have to do, students, you have to take the weather reports from the newspaper for a week and paste them and see the variations, that what up and down variations are there in the weather, in the temperature of your area. Yes, till then, thank you and have a nice day. For your reference, I will share the PPT, the PDF file of this PPT so that you can see and you can write down the question and answer in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day, students.